Hello everyone, this is Emily. I have a few requests to make one of Sarawak's famous dish, and ta-da-dan! Here it is in today's episode, the Sarawak Laksa. To prepare the Sarawak Laksa, here is all the ingredients that we need. Oh, how can I forget the most important ingredients, the coconut milk. This is the Sarawak Laksa paste, only available in Sarawak, the secret recipe. Hopefully one day I can decode the secret. First, we need to soak the rice vermicelli in the hot water until it is softened. Next, remove the head of the prawn. This is going to be used to make our stock later. Remove the shell and devein the prawn. Devein the prawn, just use a toothpick to help if you want your prawn to remain intact. Too difficult? No problem, just use a knife. Next, we are going to move on to make the stock. Add the prawn head and also a few chicken drumsticks in 1.5 liters of water and boil and simmer under medium heat for 30 minutes. Once it is done, remove the chicken drumstick and also remove the prawn's head from the stock. Next, we are going to add in the Sarawak Laksa paste into the stock and again cook under the medium heat for another 30 minutes. Next, we are going to strain and sieve the Sarawak Laksa soup and discard the residue. Once it is done, we are going to bring the Sarawak Laksa soup to be boiled again, and this time we are going to add a can 400 ml of coconut milk. Cook again for another 10 minutes. That's it, the hero of this dish, the Sarawak Laksa soup. The soup is now done. We are going to move on to prepare all the other ingredients. First, we are going to pan fry the prawn until it is golden brown both sides. Done, set aside. Bean sprout, put in the hot boiling water for a few seconds, drain it and set aside. The third element of this dish, beat and pan fry the eggs. Cut the eggs into strips and set aside. Tofu puff cut into small pieces, set aside. Shred the chicken and set aside. The next elements, the kumquat. You can use lime or lemon to replace if you can't find any kumquat. The last element, the belacan. I did not include this in my ingredients clip because some people may not like it as it has a very strong shrimp smell. However, it does definitely give a kick to your Sarawak Laksa. 材料都准备好咯，我们很快就可以享用我们的沙拉越叻沙了。After all the hard work, we are now coming to the final part, assembling.哇，超级大碗的拉沙，我开始吃喽。
锵！
味香料足，异常鲜美，酸酸辣辣，异常开胃，直接挑动你的味蕾，也是回到家乡一道永远都不可错失的美食。剪视频的过程当中，不知道流了多少次的口水。沙拉越以外的朋友，如果有机会的话，一定要试一试。
太好吃了！
沙拉越叻沙注意事项：第一，我使用的米粉牌子东王米粉，在热水浸过了之后，它就软了，可以直接使用。不同牌子的米粉有一些偏硬，需要再放入滚水里面，再烫过几秒才能使用，例如江门牌粉。第二，在煮高汤的时候，不要把整只的虾放入高汤里面煮，我们只采用虾头，虾肉呢，我们以煎的方式才能吃到更鲜美的虾肉。这就是今天的视频沙拉越叻沙。如果你们喜欢的话，请为我点一个赞，并且订阅我的频道。我们下一集再见，拜拜。